Hey everyone, today I will show you how to transfer money from Way2Go card to Cash App. First of all, log into your Way2Go card account using the mobile app or the Way2Go website. Make sure you have your card details handy. Once logged in, check your balance to ensure you have enough funds available for transfer. Open your Cash App, select linked accounts and then choose Add Bank. Here, enter your Way2Go card details including the card number and expiration date. Cash App will treat this card like a debit card. After linking your Way2Go card, go back to the Cash App home screen, tap on Add Cash and enter the amount you wish to transfer. Select your Way2Go card as the funding source and confirm the transactions. And that's it. You have successfully transferred money from your Way2Go card to Cash App. Thanks for watching.